Today I'm going to show you how you can send money using the Ria Money Transfer app. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the Ria Money Transfer app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in your phone's App Store. Once the app is open, tap the orange Send button in the center of the screen. Now choose the country where you want to send money. For example, let's say you're sending money to Ukraine. Next, enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. The app will automatically show how much the recipient will get in their currency. Then select how you want to pay. You can choose to pay with a debit card or a credit card. After that, pick how the recipient will receive the money. You can choose between cash pickup or bank deposit. Cash pickup is faster, but the recipient needs to go to a Ria location. Bank deposit takes a bit longer, but the money goes straight into their bank account. Before you choose, it's a good idea to ask the person you're sending money to which option they prefer. Now tap Continue to move on. Here, you'll decide if you're sending money to yourself or someone else. If you're sending to someone else, enter their details like name, country, and city. Then select the recipient's bank and enter their account number. Finally, enter your card details and tap Pay. And that's it. You've just sent money using the Ria Money Transfer app.